Hi everyone, good afternoon. We are here online for the DecodeEX Xmas 2023. We are celebrating the new year here. We'll do a lucky draw and we'll show you which one will get our rewards for this afternoon. Today we are going to celebrate the new year, celebrate the Christmas, though it's past, and we are going to show you who are the winners of our past month's events. Okay, but still today we are having some trading strategies. I'm going to share with you how the strategies will look like. At 2 p.m. we will invite our experienced traders to this live show here, and he will share his own experience with you guys in this live stream. So I think for the next 3 or 4 hours we'll spend quite a good time with you guys in our DecodeEX lucky draw, and we are going to celebrate this new year with DecodeEX. Just to kind of using some time to let you know what was our event for the past December. In this past December, we are having a DecodeEX Xmas 2023 event called Trade Your Way to a Holiday. We give bonus to our users when they deposit money or they refer friends to our platform, get registered, pass the KYC, or make money deposit into their account. Those referrals will also get bonus. Today at 3 p.m. we will also do a lucky draw. A lucky draw, people who did trade, who deposit money, who refer friends will be all in the pool. That we will draw out a lot of amazing words, from $5 voucher, $10 voucher, 100 credit into your DecodeEX trading account, or an iPad, and the biggest prize for the day would be a return flight ticket to Japan. A return flight ticket to Japan, which will be drawn out at 3 p.m. today. But we also prepared some very interesting thing for you to watch in the first 2 hours from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. So right now we're still kind of debriefing what we had done for the past December, all the promotional activities and all the gifts that we are prepared for you today. Also, then I'm going to dive into today's trading strategy with our Orion, our partner. Orion Trading Academy also published the final strategy of this year. The last strategy of the year has already been published by Orion Trading Academy. We are going to dive into the strategy in about 10 minutes to see what the strategy is like for today, what we can do based on today's strategy. We'll share today's effectiveness with you guys in this session. And then we're going to announce the UIDs, the group of people, the members, and the people who have earned our referral activity winners, who referred enough friends into our platform in the past December. We are going to let you guys know who are the winners of our referral activity winners. And today, in this live stream, if you watch this live stream, we will also get some mystery gifts sent out by our platform. We will have some lucky draws during the whole stream. We'll have 3 lucky draws during this 3 to 4 hours live stream. There will be mystery gifts prepared, 3 mystery gifts prepared for our audience in the next 3 or 4 hours. Each time 3 gifts. Each time 3 people will get the reward. And then we will invite our special guest, which is Andy. He is an experienced trader of the Orion Trading Academy. He was a grab driver and currently he is fully dedicated into full-time trading. He will be in the live stream room sharing his experience with Orion Trading Academy, sharing his way to get rich, to get successful using the Orion trading strategy. He's going to share his trading ways, his like also up and downs for everything. So we will invite our special guest at around 2:30, 2:15. And then we are going to announce the UIDs or the members who will win our deposit activity winners. The deposit activity winners will be announced around 2:30. Those people who deposit quantity of money that will be qualified, that will meet our criteria, will be announced at around 2:30 this afternoon. And then we are going to share more about our online trading academy strategies. We're going to tell you what are the differences about our trading strategy, how you will be able to subscribe to our trading strategy, and also how you will enjoy a 7-day free trial based on this strategy. So yeah, and then on the most important part, okay, the most important part, the most exciting part of today's lucky draw, today's live stream party, which is the lucky draw, will happen around 3 p.m. The lucky draw will happen around 3 p.m. Let's say what are the prize, okay? Let me just double check what the prize for today's lucky draw. As far as what I have remembered, the biggest prize would be a return ticket to Japan, a return flight ticket to Japan. But for the fifth prize, we'll be giving out $10 voucher to 10 winners, $10 voucher to 10 winners, and then we will give $50 voucher to 5 winners, $50 voucher to 5 winners. We'll also be giving out $100 credit, the trading credit, to 5 winners, $100 credit to 5 winners, and then we'll be giving out one iPad, 10th generation iPad, one Apple iPad to 1 winner, and 1 return tickets, okay, a pair of tickets, flight tickets to Japan, to our final winners of the day. So at 3 p.m. there will be a long process of lucky draw will happening in this live stream. Hope you will still stay tuned for the next 2 hours. Wait till 3 p.m. and just remember, during the whole process, if you are a newcomer, if you're just new to our platform, it's okay. We prepared 9 mystery gifts for all of your audience. 9 mystery gifts. It will be drawn 3 times during this live stream. Each time for 3 people will be drawn to get this mystery gift. All right, so I think I've already debated enough for our live stream for today. Hope you got quite a good concept of what we are going to do for today. And now let's just get the party begin with our trading strategy for the day. So as what I mentioned before, our Online Trading Academy is in a partnership with DecodeEX platform. DecodeEX platform is a broker that to provide service for other traders is able to trade on this platform, and Online Trading Academy is an educational institution trying to help individual traders to reach high win rate and a stable profit income each month. So these are two organizations that in partnership, and this whole trading strategy is actually issued by Online Trading Academy every day from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. every day from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. for Online Trading Academy. And let's just talk more about the historical data or the history about this academy, as well as for some information about this trading strategy. So Academy has been operating for about 10 years already. The mission of the Trading Academy is make trading simple and consistent profiting can become a reality for every individual traders. And the goal of this Trading Academy is to train about 1 million professional traders, 100,000 advanced traders, and 10,000 elite traders by the year of 2030. We will train a bunch of traders for the finance market. The Online Trading Academy, the core product is what you have already experienced. A lot of viewers, a lot of users in this platform already got a trial or a trial account or have experienced our trading strategy already. This is the core product. It's a high win rate trading strategy for the global investment institutions and professional traders. All right, so this trading strategy has been used in the management of fund products with hundreds of millions, and in the past 6 years the winning rate has been close to about 80%, with positive returns for 74 consecutive months already. So this is a magical trading strategy that has been used for not only investment institutions like fund management, but also for a lot of bunch of individual traders who could use this ROI trading strategy. And for the past 6 years, the performance of the trading strategy is amazing. It's amazing. The win rate has been close to 80%, and the annual return with no leverage, the annual return is about 30% each year. So this quite is amazing about the trading strategy. And this strategy provides subscribers a clear instruction of where to buy or where to sell at which critical price level that we suggest. Okay, we'll just show you today's strategy. Are we ready? Okay, so I'm just to get a signal from our assistant. It's time for us to show you today's strategy. Let's just take a quick look. Okay, so we have 3 strategies for the day. One is the Aussie USD, the other is the pound yen, and the third one is the Euro USD. So today we have 3 strategies for you to do. So let's just go through each of them quickly. So the first one is the Aussie USD. Today we will do the critical price level for today's Aussie is 0.6835, 0.682, 0.68480, and 0.686. Okay, so we have 4 critical levels provided by our strategic team that will give clear instruction to all the traders who want to trade based on this strategy. So what you can do is also pretty easy and simple. Once the price goes down to the third line, which is the yellow line right here on the screen, it's the time for you to do a buy. If the price goes up to get closer to the green line or the second line, it's the time for you to do a sell. So for Aussie today, it's already getting closer to the yellow line. It's currently just 4 pips, or I think for the lowest point already around 3 pips above the yellow line. So I think for the Aussie today, it will only be okay for us to do a buy when the price is getting much more closer to a yellow line. We could do a buy for the Aussie dollar for the day. So it's just quite simple for you to understand this strategy. It's because every day at 1 p.m. we will just be giving out these 4 lines. And the execution is also quite simple too. You just do a buy when the price getting closer to the third line, or you do a sell when the price getting closer to the second line. You close your trades with a profit if the price moves to the correct direction, the next line with the correct direction. That's where you will close with profits. If the price getting out of the 4 line zone, that's where you should close and stop the loss for the day. Quite easy, quite easy to learn, but with a truly high win rate for the past 6 years. 80%, nearly 80% of the trades are correct based on this ROI Trading Academy strategy. So it's time for you to get a bit experience about our trading strategy, and it's time for you, if you haven't joined our platform yet, you haven't got a taste it about this trading strategy, maybe this is a good time for you to start your journey with DecodeEX. Alright, so that was the first strategy for the day, which is the Aussie dollar. I think it's time for us to move on to another trade. Once our assistant is ready, we can move on to another trade. Another pair, sorry. Yeah, so let's just switch to the euro dollar. The 4 critical line today for euro dollar. Let me double check that from my screen. For the euro dollar, the first line is 1.10850, 1.10850. The second line is 1.10680, 1.10680. The third line is 1.10550, 1.10550. And the fourth line is 1.10400, 1.10450. So as what I mentioned before, as price goes up to getting closer to the second line, that's where you could do a sell trade. If the price getting closer to the third line, that's where you can start a buy trade. So for the scenario today, this is a good time for you to start a sell trade as it's getting much more closer to the second line. So that's just to basically explain how you can execute our strategy based on the critical levels that we provided. Again, Remember, if we do a sell here, once the price getting closer to the third line, we should close with profits as it moves to the direction, the next line with our expected direction. That's where we will close it with profits. If the price getting up, getting closer to the red line, which is the first line, and getting out of the first line, which the price is out of the 4-line zone, that's where we could stop the loss for today's trades. All right, so this is for the Aussie and the Euro dollar. Let me get my head on because it's time for us to celebrate the, okay, yeah, we already celebrate the Christmas, but I want to get my head on. It looks much better. All right, yeah. Let's move on to the final pair, which is the pound yen for today. Pound yen for today. The 4 critical levels are 180.550, 180.550. The second is 180.400, 180.400. The third line is 180.150, 180.150, and the fourth line is 180. The fourth line is 180. And then let's just take a quick look on the pound yen. As what I mentioned before, I think it's time for you to tell me what to do for pound yen for the day. Quite easy, huh? You just do a sell when the price getting closer to the second line. Okay, so we should already possess a sell order now because the price is already getting closer to the second line already for the third candle after 1 p.m. The third candle after 1 p.m. the price is already got closer to 180.400. That's where you should put a sell order right over there, and currently you should have some profits already. I think if you place a sell order right over there, currently you would already have 5 to 6 pips of winning already here for today's pound yen. So let me just double check what our distance traders were doing right now. Our distance traders already placed an order for the euro dollar with a sell order for the euro dollar. Can we switch back to the euro to get our viewers to understand why we do a sell order for the euro? Okay, as I mentioned before, the euro was getting closer to the second line. That's where we could place a sell order, and that is how our distance traders were doing. Placed a sell order where the price is much closer to the second line. Okay, so I think I've already explained the strategy well for today's. We have 3 pairs for the day. Basically, you can check that from the left side, the list from the left side. Okay, it's here. List from the left side, you see Aussie dollar from the top, and then euro dollar, and then pound yen, pound dollar, and gold dollar. Each day we'll select 2 to 4 pairs out of the 5. 2 to 4 pairs out of the 5 at 1 p.m. GMT plus 8 time. 1 p.m. GMT plus 8 time. That's where you could receive the signal from our strategic team. We will choose 2 to 4 pairs out of these 5 pairs to issue the strategy. The strategy is very simple for you to understand. We'll provide you the pair name and with 4 critical price levels. 4 critical price levels and the pair's name. And what you want to do by executing our strategy is very simple. Just place a sell order when the price is getting closer to the first line and second line, or you place buy order when the price is getting closer to the third line or fourth line first. And you should take profits when the price moves to the right direction, the next line right direction. That's where you close the position with profits. Or if the price getting out of the 4-line zone, that's where you stop the loss. Very simple strategy to learn every day, doing it from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Then after 1 year, you're doing that without leverage. At least you will get about 20 to 30% of annual returns without leverage. Or if you're a leverage player, let's say just apply a 10 times leverage in this trading, then you will got 200 to 300 profit for the whole year. So that's quite amazing, right? Let's just get this one playing, give yourself a chance to win money much more easier. So if you're interested about this trading, about this strategy, You can just leave message or check our bio. No matter if you at TikTok or Facebook or some other channels, just leave your bio, just to double check the bio. That's where you could get into our Telegram group or find the ways to get connected with us. Let's just to see how this is gonna be, okay? All right, so we are back alive. Let's just take a quick look about what the market currently right now. We are having the. All right, so we are back alive. Let's just take a quick look about what the. We're having the euro dollar. That's currently very good at the trend of downtrend. So if you already placed a sell order for today, then it's good for you. To having the selling order position here for the euro dollar. It's getting a downtrend quite clear currently. So remember to close your positions when the price is getting closer to the third line. When the price getting closer to the third line, that's where you could close the trade for today's euro dollar. Okay. Remember, it's not just a live stream for strategy for today. We will have some announcement about our winners, about the referral rewards, about the deposit rewards. We're going to announce that at I think 1:45 is the first time that we will announce some awards for the day. And also at 3 p.m. we will have the lucky draw. Again, the lucky draw will prepare a lot of great gifts, like the $10 vouchers, $50 voucher, 100 trading credit in our platform. We also prepared an iPad for our users, as well as for a return flight tickets to Japan will be drawn this afternoon at 3 p.m. So do remember to stay tuned in this live stream. You can simply just learn some trading strategies. You will learn how to earn money easily based on our live stream today, but you will also be able to get a lucky draw this afternoon. We also prepared some mystery gifts for all the newcomers, new viewers. If you haven't joined our events at December, you have joined our promotions at December, you will still earn some chances to get lucky draw today, this afternoon at during the whole live stream. So stay tuned for the next 3 or 4 hours. We want to get everyone celebrate this new year and Christmas with us. Yeah, I think we have someone asking us, do the participants have to be online for the lucky draw? If you already participated our promotions in the past December, no matter it's a referral or deposit or if you just get qualified for the lucky draw, you don't really need to be present for the lucky draw at 3 p.m. Our customer service or our operational team will send you an email to notify you if your name or your ID is get drawn this afternoon. Then you will receive an email to let you know what are the next steps you can do. So you don't really need to be present, but it's good that you just keep watching this live stream so you will know this good news at the earliest time as we join your UID out. So as what I mentioned before, at 1:45, we're going to announce the list of the winners who won the referral award at 1:45. And I think at 2:30, that's when we will announce the group of people who win the deposit reward at 2:30. And then around 3 p.m. we're going to do the lucky draw. The lucky draw might be quite long because there will be a lot of winners out of the lucky draw. I think we will draw around 10 people to win the $10. Let me just double check that. I think we got 10 winners out of the $10 voucher, and 5 winners who got the $50 voucher, and 5 winners will win $100 credit. One person will win the iPad, 10th generation iPad, and the final one, the biggest boss for today, will win the return tickets to Japan. So quite straightforward. Okay, all right, so I've already talked a lot. Let's just go back to the market to see what's happening right now. As what I mentioned before, we can check them one by one. Currently green is playing for the euro dollar. As mentioned before, if you placed a sell order when the price was getting closer to the yellow line, which is the second line, then currently you should have some profits right now with 5 to 6 pips profits right now if you're holding a sell order for the euro. Then can we switch to the Aussie to have a quick look at Aussie? Yes, the uptrend is quite clear currently. So I think about 4 candles before, that's where I mentioned this was the place that you could place a buy order, because the price is getting closer to the third line of our critical levels we issued for the day. So if you placed a buy order right over there, currently you should have around 2 to 3 pips profits right now. We'll just wait to see how the market will go. The price is still increasing. Finally, can we go to pound yen? That was the best performance pair for today. Yes, as mentioned before, if you place a sell order at the top of the third candle from 1 p.m., that was around 3 pips below the second line. That's where you could enter the market with a sell order. Currently you will have around 15 pips of profits already, and you should probably close the trade right now. Yes, because the price already get into the zone of our third line. So pound yen already finished for the day. Just about 30 minutes we get the first pair. First strategy already worked for the day. We did a sell when the price getting closer to the second line, and we closed the positions when the price getting closer to the third line. That's what I said before. If the price goes up, getting closer to the second line first, we do a sell. And if the price moves to the expected direction, the next line expected direction, that's where you close the positions for profits. Quite easy to learn and quite easy to execute. Right now, if you're still holding the pound yen, you should already earn around 20 pips. That's quite a huge amount of money earned in just only 30 minutes. You've already earned 20 pips for the day. Wow, that was amazing. We are so lucky today. We see one of the strategy worked smoothly in the first 13 minutes of our live stream. Pound yen already worked. Oh, it's still dropping. If you're holding a selling right now, then it's already around 20, let's say 22 pips right now for today's pound yen. A huge drop is happening here right now at pound yen. 22 pips of winning profits. Once the price touch the third line, that's where you should definitely close your positions right now. So 22 pips for the pound yen for today. Pound yen strategy already finished for the day. You can see how simple this strategy is, how easy for you to earn money from our strategy. Pound yen already finished for the day with 22 pips of profits for the pound yen. Then we will just keep focusing on the euro dollar and Aussie dollar to see if these two pairs will also finish with profits. Currently, for the Aussie dollar, I think we're holding with just 2 or 3 pips of profits. For the euro, a good trend, downtrend. Currently holding it with also like 2 or 3 pips of profits, but not that strong. Though we'll just come back and see how the market will go when our publish will be done. But yeah, just quite a good header at 145. At 145 will be the first time for today. We're going to announce a list of people who win reward. The first is the referral reward. At 145, it will be the time for us to announce those people who won the referral award of our December's promotion. So for the people who won the referral reward, they have to refer at least one people to get registered in the DecodeEX platform, and the person should deposit money into the platform and doing trades in the platform to make sure that the referral himself will be qualified into this process. If the referral was one people, then he could get $5 gift card. If referred 3 people, then he will get $20 gift card, $20 gift card. Refer 5 people, and he or she will get $40 gift card. And refer 10 people, that'll be a $100 gift card. Again, each referral must deposit at least $200 and complete 1 lot worth of trade. Then the referral will be calculated as a qualified referral. And each account can only participate once in this activity. We're going to announce the list of people who won this referral rewards at 1:45, which is 10 minutes later. Okay, so I think this might be a good time for me to just get back to our online trading strategy and our online trading academy, just to give you a quick understanding of the strategy and its effectiveness. And as what I've just mentioned before, that will give you 4 critical price levels that I've shown before. Today's pound, yen, euro, dollar, or today's Aussie dollar. We give you 4 critical price levels. Those price levels actually tell you where to enter the market, which we call it the entry points, or where you could exit the market with profits or losses. That's where we call stop loss or the take profit level. So those are all the critical points for every trader trying to look for when they're doing their own trades. But at our online trading academy, it's very easy for you to use it, because we just directly provide this 4 critical price levels to you through this trading strategy. Every day it's just simple for you to come into the platform at 1 p.m. and open the trading column, and you will see there will be some signals for those pairs, and you only just execute the trades based on these signals, and you will earn some easy money from this trading strategy. So yeah, we will provide this 4 critical price line for all the traders, and remember how to execute, how to do the trade based on these strategies. Do buy if the price hit the 3rd line or the 4th line first, or do sell when the price hit the 1st line or the 2nd line first. Okay, 1st, 2nd to sell, 3rd, 4th to buy. If the price moved to the direction that you expected, next line you should close the order with profits. If the price moves out of the 4 lines zone, that's where you should stop the loss for the day. Very easy to learn and very easy for you to win money. Pound yen already finished for the day with 22 pips of profits. Alright, but there are also some other things that we will guarantee your win and your stability, which is, you can see that we only trade from 1 p.m. and onward. So this is where the European market really didn't open. There's still a main time for the Asian markets to trade. So the fluctuations and the volatility during this period of time is quite low. That's why we could guarantee if you lose, you don't lose much. If you win, you still didn't win much. But that's all based on and relied on our high winning rates. For long term, you will still earn a considerable good amount of money, good return rate in the long term perspective. So as you are RI subscriber, every day you need to log into our platform, log into DecodeEX, check the strategy yourself at 1 p.m. and take advantage of the latest signals. All right, there are different two types of plans you can subscribe for this Orion Trading Academy strategy. There are two plans you can subscribe. The first one is called a standard one or a basic plan. For the basic plan or the standard plan, you will only know these 4 lines, okay? You will only be able to have a check of these 4 lines every day on our platform. But if you get subscribed for the pro plan, then you will be able to get access to the review of each day's trading strategies. So you would know what is the most correct way to execute our strategy for all the past trades. I think we have already published all the trade signals in the history in our platform. There are 53 pages starting from January 25th this year. Starting from January 25th this year all the way to yesterday, we published all the trading signals at this platform. And if you have the Orion Pro account, then you will be able to log into account and check the strategy review for all of those days in the past nearly 1 year, 11 months. All the reviews nearly 1 year for the past 11 months. So that will be a great time for you to learn and study and investigate, analyze, and trying to kind of do something on your own trading plan, your own trading strategy, and starting from today to earn some steady profits using the Orion Trading Academy strategy. All right, so it's another 5 minutes past. Let's just take a quick look at the market. We will not doing more on the pound yen strategy for the day. Pound yen already over. Can we just look at the euro dollar right now? Yeah, can we switch to the euro dollar? Wow, okay, quite good signals here right now for the euro dollar. Again, our entry point is 1.0680, 1.0680. So we should probably enter the market around the 2 pips below the entry, 2 pips below the entry, 2 pips below the second line. That's where we could enter the market right now. So if you enter the market right over there, currently you should hold around the 5 pips of profits right now. 5 pips of profits right now if you enter the market at the correct points. Okay, how about the Aussie dollar? Aussie is, can we switch to the Aussie quickly? Yeah, okay, so Aussie is still a quite good uptrend, still quite a clear uptrend right now, but currently was at the low end of the trend, but still, yeah, quite a clear uptrend right now. So it's still it's not within the range, right? Let's check. It's still within the range for you to do a buy right now. So if you want to do a buy, it's still a good time for you to make a buy order right now for the Aussie dollar. If you place the Aussie dollar buy before them, probably here is the break-even point, but still holding the positions until it hits the next line. Whether it's the red line on the bottom or the green line on the top, you should stop loss, or you should place a second buy, or you should take profits, close the position and take profits. So it's very easy for you to learn, very easy for you to execute. It's just because we tell you what to do at which price level. The only thing is you should execute it with discipline, you execute it with principles, and it's quite easy for you to learn. All right. Hey, good new year everybody. Currently we're at 7:44. 7:44. We're just 1 minute away for us to announce the winner of our referral awards. The winner of referral award will be announced after 1 minute. This is the first group of list of people that we are going to announce the reward for the day. Let's see how this is gonna be. So yeah, the market is still kind of fluctuating right now. We finished the pound yen for the day with 22 pips of profits. Pound yen already finished for the day with 22 pips of profits for the day. For the euro dollar and Aussie dollar, we are still holding. For the euro, we are holding a sell position. For the Aussie, we are holding a buy position, and we'll wait and see how the market will go for the next 1 or 2 hours. But it's time for us to announce some winners. Okay, so the first group that we are going to announce is the winners from the referral price. We are at 145 right now. It's where we would announce the UIDs for the referral activity winners. Again, let's just go through the referral activities quickly before we announcing those winners. Can we go to the page that we the promotions, the details about the referral activity? Okay, yeah, it's called the more you share, the more you receive. Just refer your friends for additional gifts. So basically, if you refer 1 people to the platform, you will get $5 gift card. Refer 3 people, that will be $20 gift card. Refer 5 people, you will receive a $40 gift card. And if you refer 10 people, you will get a $100 gift card. The gift card, there will be a lot of choices for the gift card. You could receive an Amazon gift card or a Starbucks gift card or Apple gift card. It's all chosen by the client themselves, okay? But there's some criteria for those people who should meet. Okay, so each referral must complete the following points to be considered valid. At least deposit $200 or complete at least 1 lot worth of trade. Each account can only participate once in this activity, and there will be some other terms and conditions applied, but basically if you meet the criteria there, deposit at least $200 or complete 1 lot and complete 1 lot worth of trade, then the person who referred you to this account will get the referral reward. Okay, so no more talking. I think this is the best time for us to announce the winners of this referral rewards. Assistants will show all of the UIDs on the screen right now. Alright, so here are the winners for our referral reward. UID 649832105. UID 649832105. UID 13286 13286. UID 13395 13395. UID 12843 12843. UID 12845. UID 12845 and UID 12860. UID 12860. UID 12800. UID 12800. UID 13084 13084. UID 13156 13156. UID 13209. UID 13209. UID 13240 13240, and the final one, UID 13703 13703. So we have 12 winners who win our referral rewards for the day. I think there's a various of amounts. They will win from $5 to $100. They will have a various amount that will win, but our customer service or the operation team will send you an email notification to tell you that you are qualified, or you will be prized, awarded for the gift card for your referral behavior. So make sure that those people who are listed here, check your UID. If your UID is here, check your email address, check your email account for the upcoming week. There will be an email sending to account, tell you the exact amount of gift card you earned through this activity, and then we will ask for your preference of the gift card from Amazon, Starbucks, I think also Apple. So there will be 3 choices for you: Amazon, Starbucks, and Apple. You can let our customer service representatives to know that which card is your preference, then we will make sure that the card will be sent to you immediately after your choices. So again, congratulations for this 12 winners of the referral award. Let me just announce it for the second time and the last time. It's UID 649832105, UID 649832105, UID 13286, UID 13286, UID 13395, 13395, UID 12843, 12843, UID 12845, 12845, UID 12860, 12860, 12800, 12866, sorry, 12866, 13084, 13084, UID 13156, 13156, 13209, 13209, UID 13240, 13240, and the final one, 13703, 13703. These 12 people won our referral rewards. Congratulations for all the winners here, and we will move on to our next prize announcement at around 2:30 p.m. We'll be able to announce the deposit winners, the people who deposit a sufficient amount of money into our account and doing some trades at our platform will be win the award for the deposit activity winners. At 2:30 we're going to announce the UIDs for those people. And I think right now we're just let me take a quick look at the current price. Euro kind of bounced back a bit, currently still below our entry level, so still holding a selling trade to see how it's gonna be. For the Aussie dollar, on quite a good trend, for the still a good signal right now for the uptrend. Once it hit the trend line, okay, for the uptrend line, the lower end of the uptrend line, it becomes bounced up, so getting much closer. All the way need to go to 68430. That's where we could close the orders with positive returns. So still quite 1 to 2 pips away from the place that we could close the order with profits. So if you are holding a buy order, still hold it right now. We'll go back and see how the performance will be for the Aussie dollar. So but pound yen already finished for the day with 22 pips of profits already. And don't forget, at 2 p.m. we will welcome our special guest, distance trader Andy, to our live stream office to share his experience with online trading academy and let you guys know what he had done with online trading strategies. And also it's a good time for you guys to see how he trades under the camera, and what are the choices, what are the analysis that he made for today, and his up and downs from a grab driver to a full-time trader. There's a lot of story sharing is happening for the next hours of session. So yeah, we'll just wait to the 2 p.m. to see what Andy will do, what Andy will talk and share with all of you guys. But if you're new to here, if you are new to our live stream, if you're new to DecodeEX, this will be a good time for you to join us. We'll provide this amazing strategy, winning 80% of the trades for the past 6 years. Annual return without leverage is about 30% each year. Good annual return and a decent, good performance for the winning rate. So if you're interested about this trading strategy, this is your best time for you to join us. So check our links on the bio or leave a message at our chat box. Our customer service representatives will help you to set up a free trial account with our Online Trading Academy and DecodeEX, and you will get a chance to free trial our trading strategy for the next 7 days. Okay, it's a new year, and this will be a great gift for you guys, for yourself, to start your own journey with trading, your new journey and trading with our Online Trading Academy strategy. We have someone already mentioned for the pound yen today we already won. Yes, for the pound yen today we've already won 22 pips already. That's correct. Again, at 2 p.m. we will have our experienced traders Andy coming to the live stream, sharing his thoughts and his experience with our Ryan Trading Academy. In the next 30 minutes, he's going to share his stories and how he analyzed today's market and what trades at the today's trading pairs, what pairs he had done for today's trading. A lot more details will coming at 2 p.m. We will have Andy in this live stream. Also, we will do another round of announcement at 2:30 about the deposit reward, and at 3 p.m. we'll do the lucky draw, which is the most expected event of today's live stream. So I hope you guys will stay tuned for the next 2 hours. It's already around 1:56. We'll invite Andy in around 2 p.m. And as we are talking, I think the Aussie dollar already finished, I think it's still 1 pip away, sorry. Aussie dollar still 1 pip away from the take profit target. Yes, it's still 1 pip away. So once if the price getting above 43430, if the price getting above 430, that's where we could close the order with profits. Alright, so our experienced traders are on the way to join us in the live stream. Just take more time to wait him to come in. Again, from 2 p.m. on, we will be talking. We have a talk show with our distance traders, experienced traders, Andy. He's going to share his experience with RN Trading Academy and RN Trading Strategy. From 2:30 p.m. we're going to announce the deposit reward winners, and at 3 p.m. we'll start our largest show of the day, which is the lucky draw. Yes, for the pound yen, if you do both direction, you would also win money for the day. If you do a sell from the green line to the yellow line, you would earn 22 pips. If you do a buy from the yellow line to the green line, you also earn around 23 pips to 24 pips. So it's very easy for you to earn money from pound yen today based on our quick levels provided. Both sides, it's for you to win money, both sides. So you could do the downside here, okay, downside here, sell 22 pips, okay, or you can win money here, okay, if you do a buy right over here all the way to the up, okay, here, that's where you could earn some easy money to do a buy, about 24 pips. So both directions you could win money for today's pound yen. So this shows how magic our strategy is. Just to give you a critical price level, what you should do is just execute the correct step when the price hit the corresponding line, and then it will be easy for you to earn money. Alright, so I think Aussie already also hit the TP zone. Can we go back to the Aussie to look at the Aussie? Quite smooth for the day. 2 pairs already finished for the day. For the Aussie, yes, it's already around 0.68440. 0.68440. That's where we could close the Aussie, call it profit for the day. So if you did Aussie for the day, then you earn around 7 pips already. You would earn around 7 pips already for Aussie for the day. Okay, so our experienced traders are already in. Can we just switch off the camera a bit, get our experienced traders settled, and when we are back, we'll have a quick talk with him. Okay, so ready? Okay, we are back online. We already welcome our distributors Andy for the day. Welcome to our live stream, Andy. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas. I think some of you guys might know Andy before if you watch our live stream for our RN Trading Academy. But if you don't know Andy, just a quick brief introduction. He was a Grab driver before he joined our Trading Academy. He learned here for about half a year, and currently he's holding some decent amount of profits, consistent profits for the next 6 to 7 months. So you need to be much uploaded. And so in this session, we are going to let Andy to share his experience with our trading academy strategies. Maybe for today, we have good examples here today for today's market. So because the pound yen already finished for the day and Aussie quite good. Euro is not looking good right now, but still just a small loss right now, floated, but not know what's going on. So can we just do a quick analysis of today's market and go through each pairs quickly? All right, so yeah, like our assistants show you, we analyze those finished pair first. So we talk about the pound yen and Aussie. Yeah. So yeah, you can start with the pound yen.
The pound yen, we started with strategy 2 first. Then after that, then strategy 1 also take profit. So the overall trend actually is more like a sideways market. So you can do both strategy 2 and 1. It's okay.
Yeah, so there are a lot of people asking us, can I do another buy when the sell trend already, when the sell order line closes, can I do a buy when the price getting close to the full line? I mean, that depends, okay? So if that's kind of like a sideways market, definitely you could earn money from both directions. But if that's a trendy market, then that's quite risky for you to do a buy and trying to earn the second wave. So it depends on how your analyze would be for this. Can you move on that? Yeah, move up a bit. Yeah. All right. Okay, so I think it's quite important for you to analyze the trend of the market before you enter in market. So let's say today's, do you think it's quite risky for you to do a buy or sell today for the pound yen? Or it's, I think it's both okay, or I think it's quite...
Pound yen actually, for the first wave is okay to do a sell.
Because there will be some retracement definitely when the price hit the previous high, getting closer to the previous high. That's where you will usually see a retracement. So that's why we placed the second strategy or a sell order for today. Once the retracement is down, it will go back to the uptrend. So it will be also okay for you to do the first strategy, which is a buy around the yellow line, the third line. So if you did strategy 2 and strategy 1 both, then you would earn decent amount in today. First way, I think it's around 22 pips. And the second way will be 25 pips in total line. So huge amount of money for you to easily win for today's pound yen. All right. So can we move on to the Aussie dollar? That is our second pair finished for the day. Yeah. So let's just let Andy to analyze the Aussie a bit. Still, I think the trend is quite clear. So that's why we could place a buy when the price getting closer to the third line. But let's just say if today it's first getting closer to the green line first, will you do a sell?
It's possible to do a sell also because for the Aussie market is also like moving sideways. Actually, there's no very clear trend for today also. Yeah. So both ways is possible to do when you first hit the line. So we hit the take profit first, we can also do a sell. If we hit the entry, then you can do a buy.
Yeah, so I think that's what we have just mentioned before. That is, you should do market analysis before you execute our strategy, which direction that you are going to choose. For today, since the Aussie dollar, it's quite straightforward. It's a sideways market, so you can do it at both sides, both direction. But if that's not a sideways, it's a trendy, then you might just choose one direction to trade in more safer. Yep. Okay. So we have some problems right now for the euro. Can we go to the euro and to talk about the euro? Oh, it's not quite a big deal actually.
Yeah.
It's just that because if you enter the market about it too early, then you should have some floor to loss about 3 or 4 pips right now, but it's still around the zone that we could place a sell order. Let's analyze the euro market a bit. Okay.
Yeah. For the euro wise, actually for today, right, is also moving in a sideways direction for today. But for yesterday, it has been dropping, so that's why maybe the trend is in a downtrend. So that's why we are doing a sell. So that's why I also like sell and holding on to the trade for until now.
Yep. So
Yeah.
if we see a huger time frame, like
Yeah.
1 hour or 4 hour, the downtrend for the euro is quite strong.
Yeah.
So even though there will be some retracement, we see some bounce up right now, but you shouldn't be worried for doing the sell. Even the price getting closer to the red line, which was the stop loss line, you could see there was a previous high right up there. There should be a huge resistance when the price getting closer to the red line. So it gives us a strong confidence to do sell trades for today.
Yes.
So that's why we should place a sell trade. If you haven't entered the market yet, this will be a great place for you to make a sell right now. Okay.
Yeah.
So I think Andy already shared a lot of great experience with you guys when executing our line strategy. The very first thing is that you should analyze the market a bit first before you enter in the market, or before you receive the signal of the strategy. You should know what the market is looking like today, trendy or sideways. If we do sell, will that be safer, or if it's okay for us to do it in both directions?
Yeah.
So there's a lot of things you should be prepared before the trade. Are there any other things you get prepared before the trade, besides the market trend? Any other things you would analyze or prepare?
Yeah. I also analyze like what's the possible resistance level. Yeah. So when I put my stop loss, right? I mean when the price goes to the stop loss level, so I would like to find, because the stop loss level when we enter, right, it's a zone. So you never be like on the exact stop loss you are stopping out.
Yeah.
So sometimes we will need to find whether the high is it above the stop loss or below the stop loss.
Yeah.
So we can leave a bigger margin when it's not to our favor, or the take profit level also, and the entry level also.
Yeah, so because our zone is like a 10 pip zone, any points in this zone will be good for the strategy. But if you want to perform better, you should find the best points or the best numbers that for you to exit the market with loss or profits. Well, that's the other thing you should do, is just trying to identify or trying to find the resistance line or the supporting line before the strategy published. And once the strategy is issued, you can check, oh, this line is just right in the zone. So this might be the best chance for me to stop loss or take profits. So it's the thing about a matching process. You do some things before the strategy. Once the strategy released, to see are there any lines matched my expectations before, and you could use that as your stop loss or take profits or even entry during the whole process. Yes. And also, like during the online trading strategy sessions, there will be some news releasing. Though today we don't have any news, but for the past sessions, there will be some regular news released. I think most of them are from the British government, right?
Yes.
I think most of them are pound news, or sometimes we'll have the euro news.
Yes.
So you're also doing some like checks before the trading session to know when we will have the news, right?
Yes. I'll go to this website called forexfactory.com, where it shows which pairs are having the news, especially when there's
there's money, PPI, those kind.
Yeah, we have like the CPI things and
yeah.
the GDP things, the consumer index.
Yeah.
There are just a lot of data released
Yes,
that will
yes, yes.
influence the pairs. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
but the very important thing is that you know which pair is going to be influenced by the data. Definitely, it's something about the British government. Then you should look at the pound yen, pound dollar.
Yes.
If that's about the French government, Germany government, then you should look at the euro. So make sure you find the corresponding pair. Don't look at the wrong one. Sometimes the Japanese government will have some news during our sessions that release. They don't remind us before, or they don't notify the market before. Like the banker, the BOJ, Bank of Japan, or the leader of the Bank of Japan sometimes will make some speech or say of his opinions about the monetary policy of the Japan. All of a sudden, with no notification before, but just get prepared for the news launch, so you would know what will happen. Will you guess like what direction the market will move before the news released? Will you check like the expected value or something, so you will get prepared for one direction or not?
Basically, I will see what is their how to say their
Previous or ex?
their previous and versus the expected. So roughly you know, but also but still our main is the strategy.
Yeah.
So if it favors to our strategy, then I will be holding longer. Waiting for the news to arrive. But if it's not favor to our strategy, it depends. If already at a take profit level, then I will just take my profit.
Yeah, so the strategy also have the priority than the news launch. So if let's say the price already entering the TP zone, then maybe we'll just not wait for the news to release. We'll just close with profits for the day. But otherwise, if today we're doing a selling strategy and also maybe the news is quite good for the dollars, then we will just hold it to see if that will fulfill our strategy or not. So there's a lot of tricks that you can do for the strategy, though as we mentioned before, it's quite simple. When it went up, you can do sell, when down, you can do buy, but there's a lot of execution tips that will help you to improve your trading win rates. So I think there are a lot of audience are kind of curious about how long you spend to learn the strategy, and are there any up and downs that happen during that experience?
Yes, it took me about 6 months to be stable. The first month, of course, I gained 10%. I just, I mean, because there are people guiding me also. So I gained 10%, but after that, the second month, some of the days I make a big loss, which one day can wipe out my entire month's profits. So from there I take a lot of time to adjust, and I start to like reduce my lot size, and I start to get fear of entering the trade. Then I also sometimes I will like doubt whether I should enter the trade. So it takes a lot of adjustment when you never lose before, and it's very smooth in the beginning journey. Then when you suddenly lost, you like you can't. I mean, you maybe can't take the how to say. Can't get off the fear of losing again.
Get out of the fear.
Of losing big again. So it takes a lot of adjustment.
And sometimes they will get, and the second stage they will get confused why like I was getting like really smooth winning at the very early stage. And I think I did nothing wrong, but why I just keep losing money recently. It's very hard for them to get rid of this stage to move on to the next stage. A lot of people just get lost during the second stage because they can't find the right way back to the right check I think most of the traders experience those stages as Andy, quite smooth at the very beginning, at the very start, because the strategy is quite easy to learn. They can execute it well, and then someone will start with the demo or with a small amount of money, so it's quite easy for you to follow all the instructions of the strategy and earn some profits. And then when you earn some money for a certain amount of time, you got a little bit confident about yourself. And then there might be some fluctuations on the strategy also. Sometimes the strategy won't be wrong, for sure, because it's 80%. There will still be a 20% possibility for you to meet a wrong strategy, for you to should cut the loss for the day. But sometimes it's just very hard for those traders to cut the loss because they've already experienced too much victories. It's very hard for them to admit today is a losing day. Then they will lose, as Eddie said, maybe lost all of their profits in just one day and need to start over again. And this is a huge disappointment for those new beginners. So it's very hard for them to get recovered from those losses and move on to the next stage, right? And then it took you a long time during that stage. But the good thing is Andy get recovered well from that stage and then move on to the third stage. That's where he is right now, as he gets started to earn some steady profits for each day. Are there any tips for you to just earning steady profits each day? Any tips for cutting the loss or just take the profit, or any tips you can give for the audience to earning steadily?
Just control your lot size. I think the most important thing is when the price is not in your favor, don't anyhow just add too much order to you try to win back or try to recover, which will sometimes, if really not in your favor, you'll have a bigger lose. It's not good for the long term. Some of the day may you be lucky that when not in your favor, you add more orders, you can recover and earn some profit, but it's not very good for the long run.
That is true. So it's very important for you to know where you should place or start a new order. And in some losing situations, some people just can't control themselves to adding more positions, trying to get the cost much lower, but because it's forex, there will be leverage applied, so it's very risky for you to add more positions if you are in the wrong direction. Every time when you wanted to start a new trade, please think about that individually, separately, to see if the direction is still right or not. It's very risky for you to add in more positions in a trendy situations, and then you will lose all of your monies if the trend doesn't reverse. I think that's quite interesting because a lot of people will gambling or bet on the reverse of a trend, but sometimes it's just very hard for the trend to be reversed. So I think the only way is that you have enough patience, wait for a much longer time to add another layer, then that will be much more easier for you to get the money back, or just to cut the loss when you see the trend really starts. Then we just cut the loss, or you do the reverse direction, then it will be easy for you to get the money back. So and all those things are just covered by this strategy. We have the stop loss. That's a good thing, is that we have a stop loss for you to call it for a day. You don't lose too much in a single trade in one day. And then because the total win rate is about 80%. I think Andy already did it for the last 6 months. It's quite convincing that Andy told you guys that it's around 80%, right? 80% of our strategies is correct. So don't take too much concerns on one day's loss. Just take the loss, and tomorrow will be another day for you to win the money back. So if you keep doing that for a long term, let's say 6 months is already for you, and we have some other traders just started their journey 3 months. We have some more experienced traders already did it for 1 year or even 2 or 3 years. You will enjoy the profit ultimately if you look at a much longer time frame, much longer time period. Just don't focus too much on one day's win or lose. I think it's quite interesting because a lot of traders can't accept one day's loss. They want every day to be a winning day, but that's not the nature of trading. The nature of trading is that you will win or lose on each day, and they're individually, they're different. So don't take too much concerns if you lose for a day. Just accept it. And we control the lose quite well for the stop loss, right?
Yes.
It's like 20, 30 pips for a day. If you win, it's around 15, 20 pips for a day. So the profit or the risk ratio is quite good for our strategy.
Yeah.
So you don't take a lot of risk here when you're entering a trade on our corresponding lines. Just make sure that you execute the strategy well and obey the rules of the strategy. Then it will be easier for you to earn money. All right, so we are at 225 right now. We're just 5 minutes away to announce our deposit winners. We're 5 minutes away to announce our deposit winners. At 2:30, we'll let you guys know who win the deposit reward for our December promotional event. Okay, those people who deposit money into our platform and do some trades, I think there's some lot requirement. If you meet those criteria, you will be able to rewarded our price for the deposit reward. Okay, but before we jump into the announcement, we have another 5 minutes to talk with Andy. How about anything you thought about the Orion trading strategy that really helped you to increase your trading win rate?
Yes. Yeah.
How's your trading like before you using the Orion trading strategy? Was that really poor, like keep losing money or something like that?
Yeah. Actually, before that, I was doing crypto trading. Also, is doing those kind of contract trading, futures. But I was just learning the strategy from YouTube and hope. Yeah, but actually it took you need to take a lot of time to test. But actually the thing is that I just started learning. So for me, I mean, I don't have much time to test it.
Sure.
I just use the real money to trade, and I mean, most of the time I will lose because also is. I not consistent on the strategy, and I actually also not fully understand the strategy.
Well,
Yeah, and most of the time the retail trader strategy just giving. I mean, in the long run, is just give money back to the market.
Yes.
Yeah, so I was so. After a period of time, this strategy not work out, I try another strategy, and it's just.
And you keep like using different strategies, and then if you lose, then you switch to another one.
Yeah.
In the long term, you just keep losing money.
Yes. And the worst thing is I have to stare at the screen whole day because the strategy need to find the perfect entry.
Yeah, that is true.
Is very pain. I mean, it's very painful.
Sometimes like you need to wait for a whole day to just to catch the 1 minute or 5 minutes. That's the golden time for you to enter the market.
Yes.
But you have to spend like a whole day to wait for the moment to come.
Yes.
And that's very like time consuming.
Very time, and once you miss, you're very frustrated.
Yeah, you're really frustrated because you already spent a lot of time waiting, but you still miss it. But for Orion trading strategy, it's only focused on this 4 hours window. You'll be much more focused. You can have a good sleeping time all the way to the morning, 10 a.m., 11 a.m., then get up, get prepared, and then only trade for 4 hours in the afternoon, earn some money, and we'll call it for a day. So it will be less time consuming and much easier for the traders. And it's much less energy consuming, because I know if you look at the screen all the day for 8 hours, 10 hours, those candles, God, that's too crazy for you to trade. And I think there are a lot of people trying to learn lessons from the YouTube or some other channels. I mean, there are some good points for you to get some knowledge from those things, because there are some explanations about the technical analysis, some good explanations about the fundamental things, but it all at the end it all will goes to some real tradings. You really need to do some real tradings on the market and trying to apply those things you have learned from other channels, YouTube's accounts or any other things into real trading, and you would know whether it works or not to you. But the good thing for Orion is that it is a approved strategy for the next 6 or 7 years. A lot of people are using it. The win rate is 80%, no leverage, 30% annual return. So those are all proved things. You don't really need to test it out yourself and a lot of people already did it. So the only thing you need to do is make every effort to stick on into this strategy and exactly it well, then it will help you to earn some decent amount of money easily. Yeah. So a lot of people are learning, a lot of people are trying to become a good trader. So we all hope this strategy will help you guys to become a good trader, just like what Andy is right now. So I think we will be quite ready today for our announcement of our deposit reward. But before that, let's just take a quick look back onto how the reward, what is the criteria of it. Okay, so the promotion is called Oh La La Paris, where you deposit and earn big through the Christmas. So it's basically about the deposit and how much you trade for the day. I'm also going to see that from my side to make sure I do it correctly. So basically we have different levels for you to deposit money into the platform, and you need to trade several lots to get yourself qualified. We have different amount of vouchers to send out to our qualified users from 2 to 50. There will also be Apple HomePod Mini. If you meet some criteria, there will be Apple AirPods, or the largest prize will be a flight to Paris. Okay, so there's some terms and conditions, something like that, but it's time for us to know who won this great deposit prize right now. All right, so it's time for us to make the announcement. Alright, so I think we have a lot of winners for the deposit. It's quite hard for me to read it out myself. I think I will let Andy help me to in some of the line. I'll read the first. So the first column, there are a lot of winners. Let me just do it one by one. So the first group of winners of the deposit award is UID 256511402, 256511402, UID 8364132444, 8364132444, UID 9217964990, 9217964990, UID 4647614040, 4647614040, UID 13655 13655, UID 6647914888, 6647914888, UID 13068 13068, UID 8857085111, 8857085111, UID 12903 12903, UID 358497830, 358497830, UID 8840800908, 8840800908, UID 30564334, 30564334, UID 4361139918, 4361139918, UID 3126777395, UID 3126777395, UID 274780374, 274780374, UID 12908 12908, UID 733554108, 733554108, UID 13254 13254, UID 13681 13681, and UID 8323 2780, 8323 2780. Those are the first group of winners of our deposit rewards. Our customer service representatives will send you an email to notify you that you have already earned this prize, and I think there will be some selections for you. If you won the gift card, then you can select them from Starbucks, Amazon, or Apple. You need to send your option back to our customer service email address so we can help you settle to give you the corresponding e-card. So if you want the Apple Mini, or if you want the Paris flights or something like that, we would definitely need to make more arrangement with you about the shipping things or around the travel details, something like that. So make sure that you check your email box in the next upcoming week. We will send you through our official our official email address to let you know you are qualified for this winner. So that was the first group of winner, and I will let Andy to announce the second group of winner.
Okay, UID 13355, UID 13355, UID 13540, UID 13540, UID 412396 228, UID 412396 228, UID 67232 UID 67232 UID 680891710, UID 680891710, UID 608998778, UID 608998778, UID 877523005, UID 877523005, UID 13574, UID 13574, UID 2020445571, UID 2020445571, UID 4393482, UID 4393482, UID 439394882, UID 439394882, UID 13301, UID 13301, UID 85291780, UID 3 UID 一点我 shit UID hold on UID
Which one did you?
hold on UID
439 or something?
yeah UID 13301,
Yep.
UID 13301, UID 85291780, UID 85291780, UID 63291637, UID 63291637, UID 649832105, UID 649832105, UID 12998, UID 12998, UID 6684555026, UID 668455502826. Okay, UID 7396848185, UID 7396848185, UID 397646476, UID 397646476, UID 13683, UID 13683, UID 13066, UID 13066, UID 13144, UID 13144.
Yes, okay, so congratulations to all those winners for the second group of winners of our deposit reward, the second group of people of a deposit reward. Please remember, as I talked before, check your email box in the upcoming week. We will send you a notification letter, a notification email to let you know that you've already qualified for our deposit reward, and there will be some selections for you. If you win the e-gift card, then you need to select which brand that you're going to want to have, the Amazon, Apple, or the Starbucks. Or if you want the practical like the Apple things or the Apple products, then you need to give us your shipping address. Or if you want the Paris tickets, then we need to have a travel accommodation with you guys. So please do check your email box for the next upcoming weeks, and our customer service representative will get in touch with each of you guys on the screen. Make sure you check the UIDs right now, and to see if your UID is right on the screen, you've already won the deposit reward by this. Okay, so I think we lost the, we'll just get back to the list of the winners, but before that, okay, we're back. So let's take the third group of winners for the day. Okay, so we start with 13421, 13421, 13423, 13423, 19028240, 19028240, UID 13635, 13635, UID 92906131, 9290611131, 13547, UID 13547, UID 954065917, 954065917, UID 13078, 13078, UID 442248687885, UID 2248687885, UID 399520306, 399520306, UID 678112226, 678112226, UID 7537154559, 7537154559, UID 78242 7114, 78242 7114, UID 913422872, 913422872, UID 13369, 13369, UID 737669214, 737669214, UID 12996, 12996, UID 296101451, 296101451, UID 221062557, 221062557, and the final one, UID 914908843, 914908843. Congratulations for the third group of winners of our deposit rewards. You already won some gift cards or the Apple product or a return tickets to the Paris. And then we will send you an official email again for the email notification, let you know what prize you've earned. And then please make sure to check your email address. And if you want that, we will give you, ask you what you want and your shipping address or some travel recommendations. Make sure to keep in touch with our customer service representatives. Let me just quickly count how much winners for this one. I think, let's say 61. Okay, we have 61 winners for this deposit, much bigger for the referral. I think referral we have 12 winners, but for this one we have 61 winners for the deposit reward. Congratulations for all of the winners who won this great reward. Hope you guys will have a happy new year once you receive our gifts, to share the joy with all of your family members and friends, and it's a good time for you to celebrate the new year. All right, so it's getting close to this part of the announcement of the deposit reward. I think we're getting much more closer to the most exciting part, which is the 3 p.m. lucky draw. We will have a lot of lucky draws for the day. We are ready for that. Let me just quickly get a head up of what we have prepared for the lucky draw. What are those presents we are ready to give out? We have 10 people will won $100 gift card. 10 people will have a chance to win $100 gift card. 5 people will have a chance to win $40 gift card. 5 people will have to chance to win $40 gift card. 3 people will have a chance to win $20 gift card. 3 people have chance to win $20 gift card, and 1 people will have chance to win $5 gift card. $5 gift card. Okay, and this might be a good time for us to do the mystery gifts. Are we ready to do the mystery gifts give out right now or not? Okay, then which channel we're going to do the mystery gift? Are we going to do that on our website? Okay, so yeah, so I think we have some viewers currently at the website. We will just take a quick look at the website right now. So I think there are a lot of people watching on the website for our live stream today. Let me just type the address in to see. There's a lot of chats were going. I know some people were telling the pound yen was quite good, and also there's someone talking about the strategies. So yeah, this might be a good chance for you to entering our website to watch the live stream now. If you're watching at TikTok or YouTube or Facebook or any other channels, this is the time for you to move to our official website www.decodeex.com/live. Okay, 3 W's www.decodeex.com/live. That's where you should go right now. We are going to do a lucky draw right there at our chat box. We will give out some mystery gifts right now here at our charts right now. So I think I will do it much more simple. Just to put on the Orion trading strategy, just put this word Orion trading strategy in the live box, okay, in the chat box, and we will do a lucky draw for some mystery gifts given out. So just type in Orion trading strategy in the chart, Orion trading strategy in the chart. I think some of our customer service will quickly let you guys know what you should put in the chat box. Okay, if you're watching now from other channels, like if you're watching now from TikTok, you're watching now from Facebook or YouTube, please go into our website right now, www.decodeex.com/live, www.decodeex.com/live. Okay, and join the chat room right now. We're going to do a mystery gift to give now right here at our chat box here at our official website. Please type in Orion trading strategy. And we'll give out some mystery gifts for you guys. Okay, so I think we'll just wait for another 5 minutes to see if people will keep typing in. We will close our opportunities at around 2:50. It's the time for you to type in Orion trading strategy, just like what our DecodeEX person is saying here. If you type in Orion trading strategy, then you will have chance to win our mystery gifts for today. So it's the time for you to join our event easily. If you haven't joined our December's promotions, this is the time for you to join our promotions for now. We will give some mystery gifts to all the viewers right now, even if you are on TikTok or Facebook or YouTube. This is a good time for you to move to our live stream at our official websites and type in Orion trading strategy and send it out. We are going to give some mystery gifts for our watchers. Yeah, just type in Orion trading strategy. We'll give out some mystery gifts for those people who type this word in our official website live stream, decodeex.com/live. We're waiting for you. We'll close this part soon, so please type in Orion trading strategy. All right, so once we get this mystery give out running right now, we will just quickly double check what the market is currently like. Pound yen already for the day. Aussie touched the TP? No, actually not. But it's already entering the zone line, so we will recognize it as a finished strategy. The euro get up there, get much like a bit upper on the entry level, but still quite far away from the stop loss zone. So we will just wait to see how the euro is gonna be like. As what we have analyzed before, it has a strong resistance zone around the stop loss line. That's what the strategy tells you. You could place a second order, the second sell when the price getting closer to the red line or the first line, upper lines. So don't be worried if you see you have a floating loss right now. The strategy hasn't over yet. don't close the position too early. This is not the point you should consider doing any exaggerations. Wait to see how the market will go for the next. I think we have another 2 hours and 10 minutes, right? Yeah, another 2 hours and 20 minutes to get the strategy finished. Sometimes it will consume some time. Yeah.
Yes.
Sometimes it's quite quick, like today's pound yen, 30 minutes ready to over. Aussie finished in about 1.5 an hour. But today the euro is quite consuming, and that's the characteristic of euro. Euro is quite low volatility and low fluctuations. If you do pound related pairs like pound dollar or pound yen, and it will be finished really soon. Sometimes you stop loss, sometimes it's profit, but normally it will finish truly soon. So you could also choose the pairs you wanted to trade. Depends on your own personal preference. Sometimes it's kind of, some people is impatient, want to earn some fast-paced money, then you would focus more on the pound yen, pound dollar pairs. Some people is patient enough, wanted to earn some steady amount of money, then euro dollar and Aussie dollar is quite fit you. And also we have a strategy for gold for those people who are a bit greedy. Then I think the gold will be good for you, quite good for you. So yeah, we have different pairs who had different characteristics for different types of traders for you to choose. So the easiest way for you to enjoy this strategy is just register in the DecodeEX platform and pass the KYC, and we will enjoy a 7-day free trial subscription with the Online Trading Academy strategies very soon, once you just get yourself registered and KYC. Okay, currently we are still having the mystery gift given out. If you haven't typed Online Trading Academy, this is the time for you to type Orion Trading Strategy at the website www.DecodeEX, www.DecodeEX.com/live, and you could post a message in the chat room that we could give you a mystery gift out in our live stream chat box. Okay, so let's just get a quick preview of what will happen at 3 p.m. At 3 p.m. we'll do a lucky draw from all of the people who get criteria qualified for this lucky draw. So the people who get qualified for the lucky draw should deposit, sorry, I think I get the wrong one. For the lucky draw, it's right over here. So for the lucky draw, if you just deposit minimum about $200, complete at least one lot size trade, then you will have the chance to win the lucky draw. And if you when referral one person deposit at least $200, then it will equal a chance to win the lucky draw. Okay, so the referrals will deposit, people will have some equal chance to win. If you deposit more or you refer more people, I think he will got bigger chance to win the lucky draw. I think if you deposit more or you refer more people, so you will have a larger chance to be chosen in this lucky draw. And we will start with the fifth prize. First, a $10 voucher will be given out to 10 winners, and then we will go to a $50 voucher to 5 winners, and then we'll move on to a $100 credit to 5 winners. Then the iPad 10th generation to 1 winner, iPad 10th generation to 1 winner, and return tickets to Japan to 1 winner. Return tickets to Japan for 1 winner.
Wow.
So yeah, those are a great amount. Very good price. And that will not be the end of our promotion. From January, the upcoming January, we will also be ready for another promotion for the Spring Festival for the New Year. So just be ready to check your emails every day. We will send out the promotion emails in the introduction of our new promotion for the upcoming 2024. Soonly after we close on this promotion, then we will start our next promotion. If you missed this one, don't worry, we'll have the next one ready for you. So next chance you will have a chance to get drawn for all of those wonderful gifts. Even the fish is quite good, $10 voucher, right?
Yeah.
For the first prize, it's amazing. Return flight tickets to Japan. That was a decent amount of money. I think it's more than $1,000 US. Yeah. So we have prepared great prizes for you guys. So make sure you are being attended to all of our promotions later, so you will get yourself a chance to entering our prize pool and get drawn. Okay, so we will be back around 3 p.m. to start our lucky draw. The market is still running with Euro with some float and loss. Aussie finished for the day around 7 to 8 pips of winning, I think. For the pound yen also finished for the day around the 22 or 23 pips of the profits for the day. And at 3 p.m. we're going to start our lucky draw. We will start with the 5th prize, the 4th prize, the 3rd prize, 2nd prize, and the 1st prize. We're going to end for the day with all of this great lucky draws winners, and we will call it for the end of our this wonderful year. I think Andy got a lot of profits for this year. We've also got some great achievements for this year. We will end up this year with the Christmas lucky draw starting from 3 p.m. All right, so we'll be back soon. Alright, we're back. It's time for us to have the lucky draw. We're just 2 minutes away from the lucky draw, but before that, let's just take a quick look back to the market really soon, let you guys know what's happening right now in the market and how well our strategy is for the day. After we seeing the market, and we will just dive into the lucky draw at 3 p.m. Okay, so let's just go back to what happened for the day, the first 2 hours of our strategy. We can start at any period that if it's okay. Okay, so first pair we see is the Australian US dollar, the Aussie dollar. So the Aussie dollar, if we place a buy order when the price is getting closer to our entry zone, just the 3 pips above our entry level, then we close it when the price is just 3 pips below our entry level. So it's from 370 to 450, around 8 pips of winning for today for the Aussie. And then let's take a look at the pound yen. Pound yen is quite strong for the day. So if you place the order 3 pips below the entry, 3 pips below the TP, and then hold it all the way to the entry, it's the first 22 pips you could earn. Yeah. Or you can just do a buy around the entry, all the way hold it to the TP, then it's around 15 pips of, it's around 25 pips of winning for the pound yen. So pound yen is quite easy for you to earn money. Both direction works, and Andy analyzed this before. It's a sideways for the pound yen, so both direction will easy for you to earn money. For the euro, if you're still holding it, you're still having some float and loss. The euro entry level for us, we give it off at 680, I think. So currently you are holding about 5 pips to 6 pips of loss. But compared to what you should have already earned from Aussie dollar and the pound yen, still you can accept the floating loss right now for the euro, but it's not finished yet. Because we mentioned before, there's a huge resistance line around the stop loss above. So even if the price keep increasing, we would expect some resistance or the retracement around the stop loss level. So we'll just wait and see how it's gonna be for the euro. But now it's the time, it's the time for us to do the most exciting part of our today's live stream, which is our lucky draw, Then let's just go ahead and see how the lucky draw is going to like. Can we go back to the rules? It's the final time that we'll get through the rules, let you guys know what the lucky draw is. We call it Konnichiwa. Japan is calling. Join our lucky draw and win a return flight ticket to Japan. That is the first prize, a return flight ticket to Japan. One luckiest person will win this prize this afternoon. For the second prize, you will be able to win an iPad 10th generation iPad from us. And then for the third prize, you will be able to win 5 winners will be able to win $100 credit will be given to your account, DecodeEX account. You'll be able to use it to trade yourself, or you want to put them into any copy trading. That all depends on you. You cannot withdraw it directly, but you can use it in your tradings, okay? For the fourth prize, 5 winners will get $50 voucher. 5 winners will get $50 voucher. And for the fifth prize, 10 winners will get $10 voucher. $10 voucher. Again, those vouchers you could choose them from Amazon, Starbucks, Apple. Which one will you choose if you got those?
For me, I love Starbucks.
You love Starbucks. So yeah, different people have different choices. Someone, if you play some games on Apple, then you might choose Apple, or if you want to buy things, then Amazon will best fit you. But that all depends on you. If you get lucky drawn, then our customer service representatives will send you emails, and you can double check those emails, send your requirement, send your information back to us, so we can have all the things settled. Okay, can we just move down a bit? Okay, so how to participate? Here are the criteria for those people who could get chosen in this lucky draw. So basically there are 2 ways. One is you deposit and trade yourself. The other is you refer your friend to come trade and deposit. So for the deposit, the minimum amount is $200, and then you should complete at least 1 lot size of trade before December 28th, 11:59 p.m., which was yesterday, I think. Yesterday, 11:59 p.m. You should at least complete at least 1 lot size, and then each bracket of $200 plus 1 lot size traded achieved equal to an additional chance of winning the lucky draw. So let's say if you have one person traded 1 lot, deposited $200, he will get 1 chance to be drawn. The other person deposited $1,000 and 5 lots traded, so he will get 5 times possibility to be drawn. So it's based on how much money you deposit and also how many lots you want to be traded. The second way is that through referral. So each referral is considered valid when the person deposits at least $200 and each valid referral is equal to another chance of winning the lucky draw. So basically, if you refer 1 people, you'll get 1 chance to be drawn. If you refer 10 people, then you will have 10 times person possibility to get drawn. If I explain that correctly, okay? So here are the rules of our draw. So let me double check with my assistant. Are we ready for the draw? Okay, so we are ready to announce the first 10 winners of our $10 voucher. Let's see who will get. We'll make sure that if you got through, then you will be eliminated for the later rounds, right? We'll make sure it's not the duplicated person will get, the same person will get different prizes, right? The same person won't get the, okay, so for the person won't get the same prize lah. So if he got won the 5th prize, he won't be put into the later draws, right? Okay, yeah, we want to make this clear to everyone. So if you got drawn for the 5th prize, then you won't win the 1st prize till the 1st prize. Okay, so that's the rules. Okay, so if you are ready, let's just get the game start. We'll start with the 10 winners with $10 voucher. Here is what we have right now. There's all the numbers right up there. Those are all the people who get qualified to this lucky draw. I think I will give a chance to Andy first for doing the stop. Once you say stop, my assistant will click on the draw and we will wait for 5 to 10 seconds. We will have the first winner of the 5th prize. Everyone, please go back and check your UID right now. You can check your UID from the website, okay? You can log into your Decode account and click home. Your UID will be right over there, okay? Double check your UID. Now, it's time for us to know the first winner. I will let Andy to call the stop.
Stop.
Okay, so it's time. We are joining. Who is our first winner of the day? Congratulations to UID 3976464676. 3976464676. I think I announced that before in the deposit part or the referral part. I can't remember that one clearly. That's quite a complicated number. But we want to congratulations to this buddy 3976464676. Congratulations, you will win the $10 vouchers from us, Amazon, Starbucks, or Apple. Choose one that you like, okay? Again, 3976464676. Did I announce that right? Okay, yeah, okay. So this is the first winner of our first lucky draw of the day. Should we put that number onto the winner's board? Yep, okay, so I just wanted to make sure that this one is very clear, illustrated to everyone. So make sure, because that's the lucky draw. I know everyone know the fairness and want it to be fair to everyone. So once we draw one number out, we'll put the number into the winner's board, so you would know that you are drawn or not. So if you are late coming in, you could also check on the winner board to see which prize you have been drawn or not. Okay, so this is the first winner, $10 voucher. Let's move on. Okay. Okay, let's get the second draw. Oh, okay. So let's do the second draw. 1, 2, 3, draw. Okay, congratulations to this guy. 832327840840. 832327840840. This is the second winner of our $10 voucher. Congratulations. Please go ahead and check your email box in the upcoming week. We will send you an email notification telling you you won the lucky draw, the 5th prize, and you will have 3 choices: Amazon, Apple, and Starbucks. You can choose one of them and enjoy some $10 worth of gifts. Good. That's still quite a good gift for the end. For the second winner, 832327840840. Then, Andy, let's draw the third one.
Okay. Draw.
All right, let's see who would be the third winner of the day. Congratulations to, this was a short number, 13144. 13144. Congratulations for you to win our fifth prize, a $10 voucher from Starbucks, Amazon, or Apple. 13144. I will just give a little bit of time for my assistants to put the number on the board. We already have 3 winners now for the fifth prize. 3 winners already got $30 out, but we're continuing this lucky draw. Let's get the fourth draw start now. Well, congratulations. Oh, yeah, we should go back to the fifth prize. Yeah, okay, 13540. 13540. Congratulations for the lucky person, 13540. Congratulations. A $10 voucher will be given to you. Send through the email box. Please double check your email box in the next upcoming week. We will give you this 13540. We'll give you a $10 voucher through the email address that you provided when you were doing the registration. Okay, so no more waiting. The fifth.
Draw.
All right, congratulations to 13254. 13254. This is the fifth winner of our fifth prize. Fifth winner of our fifth prize. Yeah. Quite a good number. 13254. Congratulations, you won the $10 voucher. That's the halfway of our fifth prize. We already have 5 winners. If you haven't been selected, you should be kind of like just a little bit expected if you get a higher prize or not. But you've got chosen, you're lucky. Like got at least got a fifth prize, okay? Because when not doing the lucky draw, sometimes you just expect yourself having a higher prize, but then you may think, okay, fifth prize is good enough for you. If you don't get chosen, then fifth prize is good enough. So okay, we have 5 winners already. 39764 6476 8323 27840 13144 13540 and 13254. We are halfway through our fifth prize. If you just joined our live stream, if you just joined this live draw, we are doing the lucky draw right now. We're going to draw a lot of people, I think in total 22 people, to win all the different prizes here from platform, the December's promotions. So let's get the second half of the fifth prize started right now. And congratulations to 13540. 13540. Okay, so this is the, oh, I think this one has already been chosen. Okay, so we'll just make sure that the not a replicate one will get this number. So let's just draw it again. Yeah, this was the fourth winner. So we just make sure that not, okay. I think there's some technical issues. Is there like keep drawing the same person? Let's say. Okay, this is the new person. 85291780. 85291780. Congratulations, you are the sixth winner and kind of a hard winner because we joined 3 times and we joined this one out. 85291780. Congratulations, you are the 6th winner of our 5th prize. You won $10 voucher chosen from Amazon, Apple, or Starbucks. It's on your own choice. Check your email box recently to make sure you don't miss our email connections. Okay, then let's move on to the 7th draw.
Draw.
All right, I hope this one will not be a repeated number. That is a repeated number. Can we do that again? Okay, that means that those person have a like highly probability. Okay, so let's do it again. Okay, that's a new number. Can you announce that?
649832105
Yeah.
649832105.
Congratulations for 649832105. You are the 7th winner of our 5th prize. You are the 7th winner of our 5th prize. You will be able to receive a $10 voucher from Amazon, Apple, or Starbucks. Please check your email box in the upcoming week to see if you are received the 5th prize correctly. Okay, let's move on to the 8th winner of our lucky draw. Get started. Blue. I think this one got chosen. That's what the 3rd winner. So let's just keep that again, draw again to see, because those people may have a higher possibility to get drawn. This was a new number. This is a new number. Okay, 6329-16371. Congratulations to win the 5th prize, a $10 voucher. 6329-16371. Congratulations, you are the 8th winner of our $10 voucher. So we just have 2 more to go, and we will conclude the 5th prize. Some people will only have 2 chances to win the bottom prize lah, because they don't have the luck to have a higher prize. So this will be the last 2 chances for people to win the bottom prize, which is $10, which is quite a good one. At least you have some prize, right? Okay, Andy, let's draw the nice one. Okay, this is a new number, 13066. 13066. Congratulations, 13066. This is your prize for this year. Sorry, for December. $10 voucher. Go ahead and check your email box for the next upcoming week. It will be notified with the email notification. You can choose from Apple, Amazon, or Starbucks for this $10 voucher. All right, this is the most exciting point, because this will be a last chance for you to win the 5th prize. But if you haven't been choosing at this time, which means you will get a probability to get a higher prize. If that was you, do you want to get choose right now?
Most probably I will aim for higher price.
Okay, but that was not decided by you guys. It was decided by this machine, random machines. Let's get the final draw of the 5th prize. Start. This one has been chosen before, the 4th one, right? Yeah. So let's just again. That was a new number. That is a new number. 739684185. 739684185. That was the 10th winner of the 5th prize, and that concludes all of the winners of the 5th prize. Can we just go through that again? Yeah. So for the 5th prize winners, there were 397646476, 832327840, 13144, 13540, 13254, 85291780, 649832105, 6329163771, 13066, and 739684185. Those are all the winners for our 5th prize. Will be able to win a $10 voucher through our email address. So make sure double check our email notification in the upcoming weeks. Our customer service representatives, all the operating team will get the connection with you guys to make sure that we will give the $10 to you guys correctly. Okay, so we've been using about 20 minutes to get these 10 people drawn. We move on to the 4th prize. What is the 4th prize? It's 5 times of the 5th prize, a $50 voucher. You said you were going to use that on Starbucks, right? You could buy 2 cups. Where how many cups of coffees you could earn if you got the $50 voucher?
Most probably more than, I think around 7 or 8. Oh,
7 or 8 cups of coffee?
Yeah.
That's that will be like a 1 week of coffee, right? Okay, so 1 week of coffee will be given by DecodeEX if you got chosen in this 4th prize. There will be 5 winners be chosen in this 4th prize. Are you guys ready? I am ready for the 4th prize. Let's get the first winner. which is 274780374. This is a new winner, and we will recognize him or her, the first winner of our fourth prize. You will get a week of coffee if you chose the Starbucks, but you are also free to choose Apple or Amazon if you want. To 274780374. You are the first winner of our $50 voucher. This is the first winner of our fourth prize. Then, Andy, let's draw the second.
Draw.
This is also a new one.
Oh, 67811 22226. 67811 22226.
Yeah, that was the one who won some money from the deposit. I think I announced that number before. So congratulations, you also won some money from the fourth prize. You earned a $50 voucher from us. 678112226. I think he had won something in the deposit reward, so that's an extra surprising gift for you in the year of 2023. Congratulations, this one, 678112226. Now let's move on to the third one in the fourth prize. 3, 2, 1, draw. Congratulations, 12903. This is definitely a new winner. 12903. Congratulations, you are the third one to win the fourth prize from our prize pool. 12903. Congratulations, you are the third one to win money from our prize pool. And we call it right now the half of all the fourth prize already ended up. If Andy is not chosen right now, are you expecting more?
Yeah.
Still expecting more? Okay, no coffee, but $100 to trade. Okay, that much better. So we will not wasting too much time on this part. We'll just move on to have the fourth one out. Andy.
Draw.
Oh, that was the one. That was the one. Okay, we will not give you another week of free coffee. Sorry. We will just go to another one. That's definitely a new. No, that was the third one for the fifth prize. Okay, let's do it again. That was the first one. Guys, I'm so appreciate your contributions to our platform, because I think you got more weighted chance of those people who got chosen. That was the third one. So let's keep getting that one running until we got a new one out. That was definitely a new one. Yes, I think so. 733554108. Congratulations, you are the fourth winner of our fourth prize. 733554108. Congratulations, you are the fourth winner of our fourth prize. You will be able to choose from Amazon, Apple, or Starbucks a $50 voucher. Our customer service representatives or operation team members will send you an email notification, and you will be able to send up your choice back to us. So we'll send you the e-gift card directly into your email address. So this will be the last opportunity for a lucky guy got drawn for this $50 voucher, a free week of coffee from DecodeEX. Which one will be lucky enough to get this prize? 3, 2, 1, draw. That was a number for the seventh one for the fifth prize. Let's do it again. Yeah. That was the one, I think. That was one for the third. Yeah, that was chosen. Sorry, it's quite time consuming, but I think we have a new winner. 737669214. Congratulations. 737669214. Congratulations, you have already won our final fourth prize. This is the final one for the fourth prize, $50 US voucher. Now we have all the winners of the fourth prize, which are 274-780-374, 678-11226, 12903, 73355-4108, and 737669214. Congratulations for all the 5 winners of our 4th prize, and then we'll move on to one of the most exciting moments, because this is the time we are going to choose somebody out to have some real credit into your trading account on the DecodeEX platform. This 100 credit will be deposited directly into your account. Can we show the price on the screen? So yeah, 5 winners will be able to get this $100 credit directly into your DecodeEX account. But just make sure that this money, you will be able to use that to do personal trades, individual trades, or you'll be able to transfer those money into your copy trading accounts and copy trade others, but you are not allowed to withdraw this 100 USD credit directly, okay? So we just want to make sure that this one is clear. So if you win this $100 credit, you won't withdraw it directly. You are going to use this $100 to trade. For individual trading or copy trading, both okay, but just make sure that you will only use those to trade. And for the profit you've earned from this $100, you will be able to withdraw the profits. All right. So as we get all the rules clear enough, I think, are we ready to choose the 3rd prize? Okay, so we are ready to choose the 3rd prize out. 3, 2, 1. We have 5 winners. The first one is yeah, it's quite hard for us to. Yep, that was a new one. 7537154459. Congratulations for you to win this prize. 7537154459. You are the first winner for the 3rd prize. You already won $100 credit from DecodeEX. $100 credit will be directly deposited into your account for the next, I think, 1 or 2 weeks. Will be able to deposit that into your account. If you haven't received that deposit, that credit in 1 month, you can just email us, or you can contact our customer service representatives. We will help you to get this credit settled. So you will win this $100 credit will be directly deposited into your account in the upcoming 1 or 2 weeks. If you haven't received that for 1 month, you can contact our customer service representatives directly. So this was the first one who win our 3rd prize, 7537154459. And now it's time for us to choose the 2nd winner of this $100 credit out. Andy,
Draw.
let's get the roll running, and the one got it again. Sorry, bro. We will skip you to the next one. Welcome, the old one. Sorry. Yeah. So let's go to another one. You again, but sorry. We will have another one. We're waiting for the winner, and this one I think is a new winner. 35849780. 35849780. Congratulations, you were the 2nd winner to win $100 directly from DecodeEX. You will be able to use that to copy trade or trade yourself. 35849780. You are the 2nd winner of our 3rd prize. We have already got 2 winners right now. These 2 winners, just to be patient enough, will have 1 or 2 weeks to get your deposit settled, and you can check this credit into your account in the fiat wallet. All right, and you are able to transfer it to your live trading account or copy trading account, but you will not be allowed to withdraw it directly from your account. All right, so right now we are having the 3rd one. We'll have the 3rd one out of the 3rd prize. Who will that be? Go. Oh, that was the first one. Okay, because we're like, the more people getting chosen, it's more likely we get the repeating number. Yeah, that was the one. 9217. I think we don't have that one before. So 9217964490. You are the 3rd winner of our third prize, 921796490. You are the third one from our third prize. $100 credit will be deposited into your account in the next 1 or 2 weeks. Just make sure if that wasn't deposited correctly, you could contact our customer service representatives in the upcoming 1 month. Okay, please give us some time because that's the New Year's time. Everyone will get some holidays or something like so. Please give us some time to get the amount of money deposited directly into your account. So we already have 3 winners right now. Shall we do the fourth draw? Okay, so it's time for us to do the fourth draw.
Draw.
That was
same one.
the same one. Okay, how about this one?
Same one.
Same one. How about that one? Oh, a new winner, right? Yes, 13547. Congratulations, you are the new winner of our $100 credit. You are the fourth winner of this $100 credit. Number 13547. 13547. You are the fourth winner of our $100 credit. Congratulations, you won this $100 credit from our platform. Alright, so this is the most exciting moment because if you didn't get chosen for this one, it's highly likely you will be chosen for the iPad or the return tickets to Japan. But somebody will think, okay, 100 is good enough. It's better than nothing. So somebody really want to get chosen at this point because he want to get some money to trade because he knows he can't get the iPad or the return tickets to Japan. That needs some luckies, but this is the last chance for someone to get chosen. Yep, let's see who will get the $100 credit from us. That is the last chance for the third prize. 3, 2, 1,
go.
Draw. Do we get a repeated one again?
6498.
Yeah, that was a repeated one. How about this one? 13655. I think we don't have that one before. 13655. Congratulations for you to win this third prize. 13655. You earned $100 credit into your account. 13655. You earn $100 credit in your account for trading. Congratulations. Now we have all of the winners of this third prize. Can we go through the list quickly for the third prize winner? Okay, so the third prize winner we have 753715459 358497830 92179649 13547 and then 13655. Those are all the winners for the third prize. You won $100 credit. Again, let me explain that again. I know you guys are really impatient and rushed to know the second prize and the first prize, but let me explain that again. This $100 credit will be directly deposited into your account by our customer service representatives. Please give us 1 to 2 weeks to get this amount of money deposited into account into the fiat wallet. You will be able to use this amount of money to trade yourself in the live trade account, or you will be able to transfer this amount of money to your copy trading account as you wish. But please don't withdraw it directly. Okay, you will not be able to withdraw this 100 money directly through this process, but you are able to trade based on this $100. If you win any profits, you'll be able to withdraw through this process. All right, so well, we have 2 other winners for the day. These 2 are what we call the lucky guys. Okay, yeah. The first lucky guy will win a 10th generation iPad. Can we show the price to the audience? So the first one, the second prize will be an iPad 10th generation, a 10th generation iPad. We will mail that to you, or you will be able to collect it yourself through your nearby Apple store. But let's see who will be able to get this second prize. Andy, can you do the draw for us? Draw. All right, we are drawing, and will we get a repeating number? No, this is a new one. Congratulations for 12691. You are the winner of the second prize, iPad 10th generation. Congratulations. I think that was around 1,000 some ish US dollars. That's a huge amount of money. But congratulations, number 12691. You are the winner of our second prize. An iPad 10th generation iPad will be given to you. Please check your email box. Definitely you should check your email box every day. We'll send up your email notification to you through our official email address, and then you will be notified. There will be a lot of options for you. Maybe we could mail that to you, or you can just collect it from your nearby Apple store, but we'll make arrangement with you. But congratulations, number 12691. You are the winner of our iPad 10th generation. Okay, so before we got the biggest prize getting drawn, which is a return ticket to Japan, let's go back to the market. I'll just make it like more minutes for the first prize draw. Let's go back to the market to see how the euro goes. Actually, the euro goes pretty well right now.
Yes.
Okay. Is that convenient for us to switch back? Okay. So euro goes back to
our favor.
Well, yes, goes in the direction of our favor, goes back to the entry level. So if you enter the market with a sell around the entry level, then you should have some profits right now. But this is not the point that you should exit this market. The trend just started. So you waited so long, and you waited for 2 hours, 2.5 an hour. This definitely should not be the point you exit market with small profits. Okay, just follow the strategy. If the trend keeps going down, then you will earn a decent amount of money. If the trend reverse goes up to the stop loss, that's where you could add another layer. All right, so we've already seen the market, and then this is the chance for us to do the final draw of the day. Let's switch back to our screen. I will announce the winner spot again, just to give more time for the first prize winner. Okay, so the second prize winner is number 12691. Third prize winners are 753715459, 358497830, 92179640, 13547, 13655. And the fourth prize winners are 274780374, 678112226, 12903, 733554108, and 737669214. And the fifth prize winners are 3976464676, 83232784, 13144, 13540, 13254, 85291780, 6498321105, 63291637, 13066, and 739684185. All right, those are all the 21 winners of our prize, from second prize to the fifth prize. But who will win our return tickets to Japan? This is the time for us to know who will be lucky enough to win the return flight ticket to Japan. Okay, have you ever been to Japan before?
No.
No? Okay, I hope that will be you. But I've been to Japan before, but it's good that if we have another chance to be there to do some tour. That's a good place for you to do the tours, and a lot of great place for you to do visiting. The cultures there are good, the weather there is good. I think if you visit there around May or April, that's the chance where the cherry blossoms are right over there, the love festivals there, people celebrating. So yeah, I hope if you won this ticket, please go to Japan, please visit there and have a good time out there. All right, so this is the time for us to decide the first prize winner. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and draw. Ooh, let's see. Congratulations, 12819. 12819. You are the traveler to Japan. You are the winner of the return tickets, and you are the winner of the first prize. Okay, congratulations to 12819. You are the winner of our first prize. You will be able to go to Japan next year. DecodeEX will be responsible for your return tickets to Japan. Okay, so if you're living at Southeast Asia regions or Singapore or China, or just that we have original limitations, then if you qualify on the original limitations, then you will be given a return ticket to Japan for the time arrangement. We'll be able to do the travel arrangement with you. Our operation teams and customer service team will keep contacting you through the email box and let you know that what we can help you to get your trip ready and to make sure that you will be able to go to Japan smoothly. All right, so again, congratulations to winner 12819. You are the winner of our tickets to Japan, and that concludes our lucky draw of the day. We have 22 winners of the day. I've already announced the 21 winners before, but the final winner, the biggest winner, is number 12819. UID 12819. Thank you so much, guys, for having this lucky draw with us. But don't go. We have another 20 minutes for you guys to see how the market will go and to have more talk with Andy. We'll publish this result publicly. You guys will know if you got the price or not. But make sure the first way you get the email is through email address, through email notification, sorry. So it will be notified by email like which prize you've earned through this lucky draw. To make sure that, please make sure that if you are watching right now, do a screenshot or anything to make sure that you know that which prize you are categorized. So once you receive the email, you can double check if that's correct or not. Then you can talking with our customer service representatives or operation teams members, and they will help you to get the price validated through our connection channels. All right, so we will call it the end of our lucky draw. Again, congratulations to all the winners today. We have 12 winners for the referral. We have 61 winners for the deposit. We have 22 winners for our lucky draw. So in total, we have around 100 winners for today. We have a lot of people are so happy today winning some prize to celebrate the new year. Hope you guys will have a great, wonderful time during the new year celebration. And next year, I hope everyone could win some monies based on our online trading strategy and also on DecodeEX level, our DecodeEX platforms. Hope you guys could win money through copy trading or individual tradings or any way that you wanted to do. But hope all the winners not only win money through our lucky draws or our prize, but also win some money from the market. All right. So we have another 20 minutes to go. Can we switch back to the market? Let's have more talks with Andy about our trading strategy and about our trading, about how the market will go like today. I think someone are really curious about the pro and the basic plan of our trading strategy. There are two plans of our trading strategy. One is the basic, the other is the pro version. And the main difference is that for the pro version, the subscriber is allowed to access the historical review of our strategy, and for the basic one, they only have the 4 lines. So, do you think like how useful those strategy reviews are for you, like you are the traders, to look at those reviews? How that will improve your performance in the future?
Yeah, actually, you can have the record which see how many strategy one have the winning rate for that month. Over the past few months, how many winning rate for strategy 2, how many winning rate for all the strategies. And also you could study from the entry and exit, which you could do better or which you can have exit better.
So that's what we call something like a back test, or something that if you just started to get in touch with trading strategy, that was the very good time for you to know how that looks like in the historical sense. So you look back to see how that performed for the past performances, for the past times, and you will know what you should do.
Especially when it comes to you are approaching take profit 1.
Yeah.
But what about take profit 2? Because that is need a lot of, need a lot of knowledge to know whether, able
that
to.
is true.
Yeah.
That is true.
Yeah.
So yeah, a lot of people are getting very hard to decide whether I'm going to exit here, or I should wait for more time to earn more profits.
Yeah.
Am I too greedy or I'm too cautious? So those historical data will help you to get your performance better. It's just because it will help you to have a database.
Yeah.
Like when I see this shape under this trend, I think TP2 will be more likely to happen.
Yeah.
Something like that. So basically, this historical data will help you to improve your future performance definitely. So that's the reason why we kind of still recommend our subscribers, if you're okay, you should only use double amount of money lah. So I think for a 1-year subscription, basic plan is about $1,000, and for the pro plan is about $2,000. It's just double, but the historical data is truly valuable, more than $1,000. Okay,
Yeah.
so if once you have those historical data, that will improve your winning rate significantly, right?
Yeah.
So I think if you are okay, don't just save that $1,000. Please increase your chance to win more in our market. So those historical data are really important for all the subscribers for the ROI and Trading Academy strategies. All right. So can we refresh the Euro chart right now? I think it's not refreshed yet. Oh yeah, I think it started moving a bit. Yeah. Okay. Again, we are not looking at Aussie or Pound Yen anymore. We'll just take a close look at the Euro Dollar right now. I think it get approached to the supporting line below, right?
Yeah.
But it's still quite far away from the TP1. That's where we shouldn't do any judgments, right?
Yeah.
Because I think a lot of people are using their own supporting or the resistance line, something like that, to doing trades. But once you have our 4 lines, you should not make your own judgments based on your own the lines or something. If we have some correlations with our lines, then you could definitely use that in your part of your judgment. But if that's has nothing to do or not within the zone of our 4 lines, then you shouldn't apply your own strategies, your own lines as entry or exit. There are a lot of historical data already approved. You put too many indicators or any other indicators combined with our strategy that won't make the things better. Actually, that will make things worse, because our strategy already considered a lot of factors, the fundamental factors like the news, the interest rate, the inflation rate, the GDP, something from the fundamental part. Another 70% part is from the technical part. We already analyzed the trend, the Fibonacci retracement, or some other things like the moving average or MACD. We've already put all those factors into the consideration before we give these 4 critical lines out. So once you have these critical 4 lines, you just exaggerate it simply. It's quite interesting. There was one day one of the new beginners of the online Trading Academy coming and asked me, said, I find when the price getting closer to the entry, there always be the RSI or the MAC always show me this is a good point for me to entry. So I use that as kind of an indicator for me to enter or not. And I told him that it was because the line is made by these factors already. So you shouldn't look back to these indicators again, because once we give the critical levels out, we've already considered all those technical indicators before. So you're actually looking back to why this price is the entry point. So you shouldn't look at that anymore. Just keep focusing on trying to find out a better place for you to enter within the zone, and it will help you to make more profits once you're using our strategy. Okay, so I think we have some retracement for Euro now, because I think the entry level was quite a strong resistance and supporting area. So definitely we will see some sideways or fluctuations in this area. But if the price broke through the area, broke down this area, I think it will be quite smooth
Yes.
movements for the euro. The trend today is downtrend, right?
The trend for currently is
For the
down.
recent hours, yes, are quite down.
Yes,
Quite
yes.
down. So so we'll just wait to see how it's gonna be. Again, this strategy start from 1 p.m. every day, and it will goes to at 5 p.m. we will issue the second period strategy. I think Andy, he had traded before in the night sessions. The night session is much more volatile, right?
Yes, yes.
So the afternoon sessions will be, somebody will think it's quite boring, but it will be more profit guaranteed, or it'll be much safer for new traders.
Yes, definitely.
Once you newly enter the market, if the price being too volatile and fluctuated too much, there will be a lot of thoughts coming into your mind at the same time. Right?
Yes,
And
yes.
maybe 30 seconds before you will think it's time for me to buy, and 30 seconds later something else happened, you will say, okay, maybe it's time for me to sell. Then those too much thoughts will let you get yourself lost in the trades. But for the afternoon session, it's much better for you to think about the thing. It gives you more time to think, what should I do? What is the correct executions? So that's the reason why we think this 1 p.m. session is much better for new users or new traders who want to join Forex trading, using our strategy as a tool to help you, to guide your ways to become a good trader in the Forex market. Okay, so we have another 10 minutes before we can we wrap up of our for the live stream for the day. Any final words or thoughts you want to share with all the audience about the online trading academy or the online trading strategies?
You just have to trust the lines, the strategy, and especially when the strategy first contact the line, what you must do. Like, is it execute for the entry? Is it you must execute at strategy 1, or when you at the take profit level, you must execute strategy 2. This must if you can start out as doing mechanical way, so to just if you are like don't know anything, you just start out, don't analyze any trend, you just start out mechanically and do all the trades when you hit the line.
Yep, so just as Andy mentioned before, there are a lot of keywords he mentioned. One is about execution. Really, this one is about execution. But before that is the word trust. You have to trust the strategy first, because when you are in the real trading, okay, a lot of people doing demo trading, they are really brave to start a trade. But once you are doing a live trading, real account trading, some people will be truly hesitant to start a trade. And that will make them to miss a good entry point, right? So you have to trust the strategy first. You have to believe 80% of the time the strategy will help you to win money, and 20% of the time the strategy will make you have some loss. But that's normal, that's nature. So every time once you enter the market, if you're entering at the correct place, the correct zone, then you shouldn't blame yourself on any losses or profits. Okay, you should be like reward the profit to yourself, or you blame the loss to yourself. That is all controlled by the strategy. Okay, so you should trust the strategy enough when the price hit a zone, and then once you have that trust, you should execute a corresponding action strictly. Okay, so as Andy mentioned before, if it goes to the third line, you do buy, goes to the second line, you do sell. The price get out of the 4-line zone, you should definitely stop the loss. Even the price went back, it's by luck, it's not by the strategy, it's not protected by the strategy anymore. So you should do corresponding actions when some lucky movements happen, and for a long term you will definitely get some good revenues back if you execute that pretty well. And then be sure you are a truly disciplined traders. Stick into this strategy. Always keep doing the same ways. Don't like, today I do this, another day I do that, tomorrow I think about something else. And if you're combining too many strategies in a short time frame, definitely you cannot win money easily. So just make sure you stick into this strategy purely and give it some time. I mean, 3 months is half a month, half a year. I mean, if you want to become a trader's career is quite long, okay? I think somebody will be a trader for 30 years, 40 years. So considering if you want to become a trader for the next 30 years or 40 years, half a year is not that long. Even if you lose a certain amount of money in half a year, that won't be a huge lose if you're considering the whole trading career in the next 30 years. So please be patient enough, give yourself some time to get experience of our trading strategy. That will definitely help you to earn money in the long-term sense. 1 month, 3 months, it will definitely to earn some easy money throughout this strategy, okay? So make sure stick onto the strategy and execute it strictly, be self-disciplined, strict stop loss. If you want to add the layer at the correct place, stop loss at the correct place, then this strategy will definitely help you to earn steady profits. All right, I think we've been talking too much. People asking, so how I could join and to get the free trial. This will be the last chance we're talking about that. Please come to DecodeEX.com. Once you get registered, once you're past the KYC, you'll be able to go to the ROI Academy column. Once you go to the ROI Academy column, there is something called the Signal subscription. If you go to the Signal subscription, you will have a chance to subscribe a 7-day free trial. Okay, can we scroll down a bit? Oh, I think this account has already had the subscription, but if you're a new account past the KYC, then you will be able to enjoy a 7-day free trial with ROI Trading Academy. I recommend you to start subscribe it on Monday, so you won't waste the 2 days in the weekend. And I think this Monday you won't have any trades, right? Because that's the new year. So we will coming back on Tuesday. So if you are watching now, if you're a new user, please do that on Tuesday morning. So you will definitely enjoy it too. The week after the next Monday, I will also have another 1 more day experience with our ROI Trading Academy. All right, so it has been a great 3 hours with you guys from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. We have talked about the ROI Trading Academy. We have spent some time to see how amazing today's Aussie and pound yen right now. If you're still holding the euro dollar, please hold it. We have another 1 hour of trading time. It's still below the entry zone, so it's quite safe right now. We'll wait to see how that's gonna happen before 5 p.m. But right now you will still have some floating profits. That's good. Make sure you stay safe when you're celebrating the new year. We'll be back after the new year. DecodeEX will have more promotional activities. Our Ryan Trading Academy will also have more promotional activities on our website. Please stay tuned to our further live stream. We'll do further live streams like this. We'll trade with some experienced traders and talk with you, sharing the performance, historical performance, sharing the experiences, and help you to trade using the ROI trade strategy as well. All right, so I think it is a good time for us to wrap it up for our stream for the day. Hope you have enjoyed the next 3 hours. DecodeEX will be with you guys for the next year, of course, and in the future. So please stay tuned, and I will see you again, and Andy will see you again in next year. Thank you guys for coming today, and Happy New Year. Bye-bye.